Let's solve for m and n here. Okay, solution. Now let's label the first one equation 1, and we have the second one as equation 2. Now let's make one of the variable from equation 1 the subject, then substitute it in the equation 2. So let's make m the subject. From 1, m is the same as 5 minus n. That will be the third equation. 5 minus n. So let's put 5 minus n in 3. Let's put 5 minus n here. That is m. So mn equals 3. So this is the equation 2. So 3 into, so m here will be 5 minus n times n equals to 3. So we have 5n minus n squared minus 3 equals to 0. So it's the same as minus n squared plus 5n minus 3 is equal to 0. So we can divide through by -1. So that will be n squared minus 5n plus 3 equal to 0. Alright. So let's complete the square of this. So we have n squared minus 5n equals to minus 3. So if we take half of coefficient of n all squared, so this one will be minus 5 on 2 all squared. So we'll add this one to both sides of the equation. N squared minus 5n plus minus 5 on 2 all squared minus 5 on 2 all squared minus 3. Okay, so I'll pick this and that. So we have n minus 5 to all squared. So equals to minus 5 on 2 all squared minus 3. So this side will be n on 5 on 2 equals to 25 on 4 minus 3. So we have n minus 5 on 2 all squared. So this side is 4 here, 125, 12. So that will be 13. So n 5 on 2 all squared equals to 13 on 4. So we can go ahead as we take square root on both sides. So we have n minus 5 on 2 plus or minus square root of 13 on 2. So that will be n equals to 5 on 2 plus or minus 13 on 2. So this one will be 5 plus 13 on 2, or 5 minus 13 on 2. That is for n. Okay, so let's solve for m. Remember, m is here, m is 5 minus n. M is 5 minus n. So case 1, so when n is 5 plus 13 on 2, with 5 plus 13 on 2, have this. Okay, so this one will be, let's make it over 1. So we have the LCM as 2. 1 into 2 is 2. 2, 5, 10 minus 2 here 1. So we have 5 plus 13. That will be 10 minus 5 minus 13 on 2. That will be 5 minus 13 on 2. Okay. So if that is the case, this side will also be plus. So case 2, m equals to 5 minus n. So this time n minus, so this time it will be minus 5 minus on 2. So let's make this side over 1. 2, 1, 2, 10 minus, so 1, 5 minus 13. So it will be 10 minus 5 plus 13 on 2. That will be 5 plus 13 on 2. So that's case 2. Alright. Subscribe to this channel for more exciting videos.